going a little bit more into food category, I think reviews are very, very important.
Oh, absolutely.
Right?
Yes.
So
because that's the trust.
It's trust, right? I don't want to put something in my body to be the guinea pig of it, right?
No.
Right? So I want to know that what people are talking about that. And yeah, so any thoughts on that?
It's interesting because it actually spans both of my worlds, because there's food that you ingest. Then I have, on the consumable side, I have over the counter, right? Which includes like medicine and supplements and vitamins.
Right.
And then obviously the baby and the pet pieces as well. And then the same thing with like topical, because a lot of things like lotions you put on your body, those kinds of things. So ratings and reviews matter a lot. It's not just, oh, how does this make me feel? It's also a, no, I really liked it and this is why, right? And it's really important, I think, the more trust you can build, because to your point, like the barrier to entry, this is the great thing about food. Typically, the price points aren't so high that if there's a slight bit of interest that you're going to say, I'm not going to do it because the price is too high. Most part, it's like, oh, this has pretty good reviews. I was looking for something in this space. I'm willing to try it.
Yeah.
Right? Like, I know that my family eats, you know, granola bars every single week. And like, I always buy this brand, but maybe I'll try this other brand. Yeah. It's not that big of a difference in price, right? It's more of a like, it's an easy, you know, step up to try, right? But you have to show me that it's worthwhile to maybe.
And it's safe for me.
And it's safe for me. Like, am I probably gonna make that leap on something that has no reviews? Probably not.
No. Absolutely.
Right?
I think that's a very important part.
Yeah.